Hey everyone, it's me, John. Welcome back to the channel, and today we have a really interesting article about Amazon and automation. Of course, you're going to learn some really interesting and useful phrasal verbs, and after that, I left some examples and the definitions for you. But there's also some exercises in this lesson where you have to unscramble words to create sentences from the article. You have to put the words in the correct order. It's a little difficult, but I'm sure you can do it. After that, of course, please leave a comment and let us know what you think. Try to use the interesting vocabulary from the article and let us know. Are robots really taking over? Let's find out. Amazon's robot rollout. Amazon is getting ready to roll out a massive automation push that could phase out up to 600,000 US jobs by 2033. Define roll out. Eliminate, introduce, or launch. Roll out means introduce or launch. Define phase out. Slowly stop using. Quickly add. Phase out means slowly stop using. The company says its robotics teams aims to take over about 75% of its operations by 2027. Define take over. Gain control of. Advertise to. Take over means gain control of. As the new machines move in, Amazon will cut back on thousands of roles it would otherwise have to hire. Define move in. Occupy a space. Become developed. Move in means occupy a space. Define cut back on. Completely remove. Reduce or limit something. Cut back on means reduce or limit something. By scaling up its tech and delivery systems, Amazon expects to bring down shipping costs and speed up the flow of goods. Define scale up. Increase the size. Increase the weight. Scale up means increase the size. Define bring down. Physically carry. Lower or reduce. Bring down means lower or reduce. Define speed up. Make something the fastest. Make something faster. Speed up means make something faster. Inside the business, managers are reportedly steering clear of words like automation or robot takeover. Define steer clear of. Ignore. Move closer to. Steer clear of means ignore. Instead, they often talk up advanced technology or cobots, robots that work alongside humans. Define talk up. Promote. Talk badly about. Talk up means promote. Define work alongside. work together with, compete with. Work alongside means work together with. Critics warn that if Amazon pushes ahead with its plan, it could shift from being one of America's top job creators to a company that cuts out human workers at scale. Define push ahead with. Stop and pause. Continue with force. Push ahead with means continue with force. Define cut out. Stop using. Interrupt. Cut out means stop using. For now, Amazon says it will carry on hiring in some areas and look for ways to combine people and machines. Define carry on. Continue. Limit. Carry on means continue. Experts still believe the number of human roles could go down significantly in the years ahead. Define go down. Decrease. Get better. Go down means decrease. Exercises. Unscramble the sentences from the article. It's a good idea to pause the video. Amazon is getting ready to roll out a massive automation push. For now, Amazon says it will carry on hiring in some areas. As the new machines move in, Amazon will cut back on thousands of roles. By scaling up its tech and delivery systems, Amazon expects to bring down shipping costs. Managers are reportedly steering clear of words like automation or robot takeover. Examples: roll out. To introduce or launch something new, often gradually. The company will roll out a new product next year. They plan to roll out a new policy across all stores soon. Phase out. To gradually stop using or doing something. The company is phasing out paper documents in favor of digital files. Governments are phasing out single use plastics. Take over. To gain control of something. The new CEO will take over the company next month. Robots could take over repetitive tasks in the future. Move in. To begin occupying a space or area. The tenants will move in next week. New businesses are starting to move in downtown. Cut back on. To reduce the amount or number of something. She decided to cut back on caffeine. The company plans to cut back on unnecessary expenses. Scale up. To increase the size, amount, or scope of something. They want to scale up production to meet demand. The startup hopes to scale up its services internationally. Bring down. To reduce or lower something. The government aims to bring down inflation. They are working to bring down the cost of living. Speed up. To make something go faster. The manager asked the team to speed up the process. New software can speed up data analysis. Steer clear of. To avoid something or someone. He tries to steer clear of arguments. Tourists should steer clear of unsafe areas. Talk up. To speak about something in a positive way, often to promote it. She always talks up her team's achievements. The company talked up its latest innovation. Work alongside. To work together with someone or something. Engineers work alongside designers to finish the project. Volunteers work alongside staff to help the community. Push ahead with. To continue doing something despite challenges or opposition. They decided to push ahead with construction despite the weather. The company is pushing ahead with its new marketing campaign. Cut out. To remove or stop using something. He decided to cut out junk food from his diet. The factory may cut out manual labor in the future. Carry on. To continue doing something. Despite the rain, the players carried on with the match. She carried on studying after everyone else gave up. Go down. To decrease or reduce. The number of visitors went down after the event ended. Fuel prices are expected to go down next month. As always, thank you so much for watching the lesson. And if you learned something new, consider joining the channel and becoming an English fan. Thank you, channel subscribers, channel members, and private students. And see you in the next lesson.